Hello and welcome to our podcast. I'm so excited you're joining us today as we dive into the innovative world of software development and how cutting-edge tools are revolutionizing the way we code. Today, we're exploring the power and promise of GitHub Copilot and other tools that are helping developers work smarter, not harder. So what exactly is GitHub Copilot? Think of it as your AI-powered programming partner. This tool is designed to suggest code and entire functions as you type. That's right. It actually learns from the vast amount of code available on GitHub and gets better as you use it. It's like having a senior developer looking over your shoulder and giving you real-time suggestions. Now, I know what you might be thinking. How does this actually work? Well, GitHub Copilot uses machine learning models to analyze code patterns and provide contextual recommendations. Imagine you're in the middle of a complex task, and instead of staring blankly at your screen, Copilot has already filled in the gaps for you. How cool is that? Also, this tool isn't just about writing code. It's about enhancing productivity. It's kind of like having a personal assistant who understands your work style. For instance, it can help automate repetitive tasks, which means developers can focus on more creative problem solving rather than mundane details. You know, with every new piece of technology, there's usually a common question. Will it replace our jobs? While some people fear that AI might take over coding jobs, it's essential to view it as a complementary tool rather than a replacement. Think of it this way. In the past, calculators didn't replace mathematicians. They simply made calculations faster and more efficient. And moving along to security, another key aspect of software development. With more code comes the unavoidable concern over vulnerabilities. GitHub's security features, like scanning for vulnerabilities before merging code, are crucial in safeguarding against potential threats. It encourages good practices and makes our development landscape safer. So, as we journey through this topic, it's interesting to reflect on how these tools foster collaboration among developers. Platforms like GitHub allow teams to share code, provide feedback, and even tackle issues together. There's a real sense of community, which I think is pretty inspiring. Before we wrap up, let's stop and consider, how might this evolution in coding tools change the future of software development? Will we see more diverse teams contributing to open source projects thanks to AI assistance? Or will it encourage coders from non-traditional backgrounds to dive in and create their own solutions? As we come to a close, it's evident that tools like GitHub Copilot are not just making coding easier, but are leading us into a new era of development, one that's more inclusive, efficient, and responsive to the needs of today's tech landscape. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of the intersection of AI and software development. I hope you found our discussion as fascinating as I did. Until next time, keep coding, stay curious, and remember, the future is just a line of code away.